Do you know you can actually embroider your decorative stitches? Let me show you what I'm talking about. We're talking buttonholes or some of those maxi stitches. So to bring them in, you can go ahead and go to your menu button, and then instead of the designs that are built into your machine, touch the first one, which is like your picture of your straight, your zigzag, and this will give you access, for example, to buttonholes. You could do eyelets. Oh my gosh, we could. How about that? So let's just, for fun, I'm going to just bring in buttonhole number 2, touch and hold, and it brings it in. Now I know it's really, really small. I actually have the 360 by 200 hoop, so I have the biggest playground up right now. Let's just jump to one of our fun areas and show you what you can do with a buttonhole. Yes, you can sew out one, but who wants to sew out one? Why don't we sew out a row? Or we can use what is called our basic shape creator. In here, we could take, and for example, we can make a line. We could change that line so it's actually tall and skinny. We could actually rotate that. But how about let's do a circle for fun. And right now you get one buttonhole. There it is, sitting right there on the circle. You can add to it. Now we have 2, 1, 2, and 3. So it'll actually spread these out as you desire. But what if I just say I need 20 of them? Touch that little picture that looks like a calculator, and it will put 20 buttonholes all the way around that circle. Now that circle's not set. You can actually drag it in and move that closer together, or even make it more, you can change it all the way around. We can change the angle, we can change how close they are, we can make them all stand up tall if we wanted to, or on the inside or the outside of the circle we're drawing. We can make them, there we go, now they're all standing up like little soldiers. So depending on what you want to do, it's kind of fun to see. Once you've got something going on, you can go ahead and do the check mark. All those buttonholes are locked together. You could put a monogram in the middle. You could cut them all open, put a drawstring like a little, and draw up the edge, because a drawstring would bring it from a circle. That would be kind of fun. Let me show you one more thing. I'm going to just delete that one. Let's bring in something like the Maxi Stitches. Same thing, you can have some fun with some of these. Oh, I don't know what to choose. I want them all. Here we go. Bring in that design. Let's go over to the Basic Shape Creator. You do have other shapes. The circles are just kind of easy to kind of think about. And not knowing how big this design is, let's just start off with 16 of them. And we can always go back and add more. We can have and see if they're going to touch, depending on how they're, actually it looks really good. What if we went ahead and did, instead of 16, we did 26? And see how many we have. Again, we can make it go closer, bigger. You could zoom in, see how they're looking. You can even overlap some of these so they're actually even have that. I mean, it's amazing. It doesn't take much. Bring in any decorative stitch, buttonhole, eyelet, and now you can embroider out those decorative stitches.